This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lynn Stephan. Popular Melbourne Beach. No HOA. Beautiful corner lot, roof was replaced in 2018, hurricane impact windows and sliders in 2020, beautiful kitchen remodel with quartzite counters and custom-made cabinets, new sprinkler pump in 2021, soffits replaced in 2015. Split bedroom floor plan, large master bedroom with dual closets, master bath remodeled, updated guest bath, private fenced yard with lots of trees and landscaping. Large screen porch overlooking pool. Home has large living room, dining area, family room, large indoor laundry room. Plenty of parking with long driveway, ciruclar drive and extra slab for car or golf cart. Electric box has been updated. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Stephan at 321-308-0347.